Are you having a bad lash day? I can tell. Are you tired of your lashes always looking bad? Are you tired of curling your lashes to the gods and them still falling? Are you tired of using every mascara in the book, breaking the bank, trying out the TikTok viral mascara and your lashes still looking like shit? Say no more, I am here to save you. Hi, my name is Andrea Besties and I am certified in the lash department. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my tips, my tricks, the behind the scenes to my lashes. I really wanted to dive deep and show you guys everything that I do for you guys to never have a bad lash day ever again. If I just saved your leg, you don't have to repay me. Let's go, girls. You're welcome. Step number 1 in never having a bad lash day ever again, it's an eyelash lift. I come to Sugar Boo Beauty in downtown San Diego, and some might say your lashes will fall off, some say it's too expensive, but I've been doing this for over 5 years now, and my lashes have never been better. I never have chunks of lashes missing or them being ripped off. If anything, they're healthier than ever before. I do have a good base to start off of, but whenever I would comb my lashes, it just wouldn't ever give me the result that I wanted. Either one eye was always more curled than the other, the outer lashes weren't always like fully curled, or simply my lashes would be ripped off from my eyelash curler. But with my eyelash lifts, not one of those things is ever a problem anymore. It lasts for 6 to 8 weeks, and honestly for me it lasts sometimes even more than that. Also, my lashes take like 2 seconds to do now, so I have a stress-free routine with the perfect result. Like, come on, look at that difference. This is the first step, but the most important one. To make my lashes look the way they do, I think all of these steps are equally as important, from my lash lift that makes my lashes stick up to the mascara and the way I apply my mascara. They're just all so important. It's just you need to follow the step-by-step guide. But now that I have my lash lift, my actual application is going to be so much easier. But don't get it twisted. People think that just because you have a lash lift, any mascara will work because your lashes are like... I was one of those people. The reason I'm saying that, I was one of those people. And no, the mascara's ass. The mascara's ass. If you're an OG or you've just been watching my videos for a while, you will know the mascara that I'm about to share with you guys, because, I mean, girl, be for real. The mascara that I use is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I am such a fan of this mascara, and I have been for the longest time. I started off with the OG mascara, which is the Gold 2, which I still love. Like, I still buy it, obviously. But my absolute favorite is the black. I think they both work just as well. I do think the black one is just a little bit darker, and I like that. You know what I mean? So we're up close and personal. I literally feel like a beauty guru, except my hair is literally like... Why do I look like this? But the hair has to be bomb, so I have to sacrifice something. For my mascara, I do like to use a close-up mirror. I just feel like it's really nice to see everything that's going on there. I just like to see my lashes kind of from here, so like the mirror or camera being here, so I can really see them. What I do is I hold the actual wand, the applicator, vertically, and I'm just going to go in and feather the product slash wand at the very tips of my lashes. I just noticed that by doing this, it just gives them that extra length without applying way too much product. After I do that, I'm going to now hold it horizontally, and I'm going to go through the back and curl up. I just did this one day and I saw such a difference, and I was like, I'm never going back. I try to keep this at the very middle to tip, trying to not at all touch my root. Now finally, when I see that my lashes look pretty decent, like I don't think I'm getting much further than this, is when I go in and apply my mascara normally. I really try to not really get too much on the root. If they're not looking exactly how you want, I love getting an eyelash separator to really separate those lashes without adding more product. Some people think that the more product they add, the longer the lashes will look, but in the long run, that's just gonna weigh your lashes down, and they're probably not gonna look that good. They're probably gonna look messy and clumpy. So that's actually what we want to avoid. Now that I separated my lashes though, I still do want a little bit more, so now I'm only going to focus on the tip. I'm doing it horizontally. So exactly what I did before when my brush was vertically, just now horizontally. I'm literally just touching the tips to make them longer. I'm trying to not touch the root whatsoever because I feel like it already has enough product. Oh my god, my lashes look amazing. But look at my lashes. I feel like that completely transformed my whole face. I went from looking cute, you know, she passes, to like my eyes, literally I feel like it's what ties my whole makeup look together. It's what made this look. Anyways, guys, I am absolutely obsessed with how my lashes look. I hope it works for you guys too. One of my top compliments and one of my top frequently asked question is about my lashes, and I always never really wanted to make a video about it because I feel like my routine is just so simple. But when I was booking my lash lift, I was like, wait, this is a part of my routine. This is what really transforms my lashes, and I really thought I would share it with you guys because maybe a lot of you guys don't even know that lash lifts existed. Maybe a lot of you guys did know but were scared to get them. So as someone who swears by them and was in your boat one time and people were telling me my lashes were gonna fall off and that it was gonna damage my lashes and like blah blah blah, I was so scared, and it is the best decision. I have been getting a lash lift every 5 years now. 4 or 5 years now. My lashes have actually never been healthier, and the reason is because of the fact no longer use an eyelash curler. First of all, I never was content with an eyelash curler. I never really loved any. I tried so many and none of them ever fulfilled my expectation. But besides that, those rip out your lashes so much without you even realizing it. Sometimes you do realize. I remember my friend in high school she had the most long and beautiful lashes, and they've now recovered, but she completely ripped out her lashes from one side because they got stuck to the eyelash curler. But in eyelash curling, not only it takes a lot of work for you to get your lashes to their desired length or their desired curl, they're also damaging your lashes along the way, and most of the time that curl will not even last and you'll end up upset, just like I was every single time. Lash lifts have really changed my life, and yes, they are a lash perm in one way or another. I go every maybe 3 months. Sometimes I take a little longer, sometimes I take less time. I feel like it really depends the person you're going to. If you're going to not a trained professional, or you might think they're a trained professional but they're not using the right type of products and stuff, that will fuck up your lashes and that will ruin them. But if you're going to someone that knows what they're doing, is using the right type of things and products and supplies or whatever, and is good at their job and is a trustful person, they will only make your life better, just like what happened to me. I mean, look at my lashes. It's only helped me. It's only bettered my life.
Drip, drip.